We at ANAND Group are committed to sustainability across our events, stationery and merchandise, working with vendors, agencies and colleagues to the absolute extent possible. We are using more recycled paper, sustainable packaging and cutting down the use of plastic. We are walking the talk step by step, day by day, person by person, working together with 18,000 colleagues of the ANAND Group. We aim to make a bigger difference and help create greener planet for us and for future generations. Through small changes, we can make a positive impact in our own lives. For instance, I am using this bamboo mug to have my coffee. I am trying to make a difference. What about you?